What's up, everybody? Thanks for arriving on this video today. Today's training is about affiliate marketing with Clickbank, and today I'm going to go over from A to Z what you should be doing to market your business, even if you are brand new to this. But I'm going to get into some advanced training towards the end of this video, so don't be overwhelmed if you don't understand everything that this video encompasses. I'm out here in Malaysia right now at the airport, headed to Tokyo. Gonna meet up with my boy Angelo, and yeah, we're gonna discuss some cool things. He's doing about 2K to 3K per day with Clickbank, and so we're gonna mastermind on and swap strategies as well. So I'm gonna be giving you guys some hot tips here in the future about that. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop on over. Actually, I'm going to teleport on over to my computer. Actually, I'm on my computer right now. But I'm going to teleport into my computer, and I'm going to share with you these tips. First part of this training is going to be, again, Clickbank for a beginner. But then it's going to get to the advanced portion of this training. And I'm going to try to go over everything in detail, but also keep it in a short video. Okay, a lot of my videos have been long, 20, 30 minutes long, so I'm trying to cut it down for you guys. So anyways, with that being said, talk to you in the training. All right, so we've teleported back onto the computer, and today what I'm going to cover is Clickbank affiliate training from beginner to advanced, $0 to $500 per day. This method and what I'm going to share with you in this blueprint is going to help you get there, but you've got to follow along to the T. Now, today I do have a couple of slides to share with you, but what I need for you to do is to take action on it. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post daily videos giving away my most valuable secrets and blueprints on how you can do this yourself. See, I make most of my money through Clickbank. I do not sell courses on how to make money with Clickbank. So, you know, although I am giving away this free content, I'm also using it in my day-to-day marketing in order to make this money that I'm sharing with you on this presentation. So, hopping on over into the training here, I need you to go ahead and comment Clickbank if you want another or part 2 of this Clickbank affiliate training. I will continue to go on. As long as you guys go ahead and comment down below Clickbank, I will go ahead and I will continue to go in details on everything that I'm sharing with you on this screen. So I'll go through, you see how it says step number 1, 2, 3. I'll go into more details specifically about those specific topics in order for you guys to have success with it. So diving straight into the training, step number 1 is YouTube organic traffic, okay? As you can see on this video, I've created a video straight from my Mac computer. Since I'm out here at the airport, I don't feel like whipping out my expensive camera, so I just did this straight on the Mac. Now, all I do is create these videos, and it doesn't have to be tutorial videos like this one, but you can go and create review videos of products that are coming out to the market or already out in the market in Clickbank. See, there's several types of products coming out every day inside the make money online niche, fitness niche, whatever. There's a plethora of different products and different niches that are coming out every day. Your job is to create reviews on those, okay? So that's like the first types of videos that I would start with. And then once you start making money from those reviews, then you can start giving trainings on what you did, okay? And that's how you can literally start your YouTube career. And but that organic traffic from people typing in, searching keywords, trying to find reviews, trying to find more information about affiliate marketing, or whatever the case is, whatever your niche is, YouTube's going to be the source where you get that traffic. Now, although you're not going to make sales from every single video that you create, it's also what it's going to do is it's going to help you to build an audience, and I'm going to share with you how you can use that audience to make money on pretty much almost on demand. So you got the YouTube videos going, and it's generating traffic, it's sending traffic over to your links. You know, you're making your first dollars. What are you going to do with this money that you're making from these Clickbank products? Now, what you need to do is you need to take that money and invest it in software, for example, like ClickFunnels, where you can create your own squeeze page, where you can collect name, emails, and phone, obviously, to start building a list. Guys, I cannot stress to you enough how important it is to start building an email list, because that's going to be your main go-to as far as printing money. Like, you see these clickbank gurus that are making hundreds, thousands of dollars per day. It's because they have big email lists that they built up over time, and all they got to do is send out an email and make money. Like, send an email out for such offer, boom, instant money in the bank. And so what I'm doing is I'm teaching you how to use YouTube now coupled together with solo ads in order to start really building your email list with quality leads. If you don't know what solo ads are, just give you a brief description on what that is. Solo ads is anytime you pay someone who has an email list to send out an email on your behalf with your website in that email. So essentially, if Barry has a list of 10,000 people, and I say, Barry, hey, I'm gonna, I want to send an email out to your list. How much would you charge? And then Barry says like $500. So I give Barry $500. He sends out my link to my website and to his email subscribers, 10,000 people, and boom, I'm instantly getting traffic, leads into my on my list automatically through that email that they sent, because people are wanting the information that I'm obviously going to be delivering. So that's how you're going to start to build your email list in step number 2, along with referring people over to your squeeze page so that they can opt in and get on your list from the YouTube videos. Okay, so that's the second way. Also, once you send out solo ads, it's very important that you just redirect people straight to a ClickBank offer immediately off of your capture page. It's very important because you're going to make instant money from the solo ad at the same time while you're building your email list. So you're making money here and you're making money here. What's the next step? Facebook ads. You're going to start using Facebook ads, and you're also going to start using YouTube ads, okay? And the way you're going to start using it is you're going to do retargeting ads. So on YouTube, you can retarget people who visit your channel and watch all of your videos or any of your videos on your channel. You can retarget all those people. And so when you're doing these reviews, when you're doing tutorial videos and people are watching them, you could then retarget them back into your funnel or to a specific page. And what I like to do is I like to send them to a bonus page of a product that I want them to purchase from me specifically. So I'm giving them a incentive to purchase from me versus anybody else out there that product through my link. So that's what I do, is I use retargeting ads to do that. And also, what I also do is I make sure that these people join my Facebook group, because in my Facebook group, I'm going to be giving away valuable content. I'm going to be posting my affiliate links to products, and I'm also going to be doing and hosting webinars and lives straight from that Facebook group. So all these people who got onto my email list, they're also going to have the option to join my Facebook group, so that I can also have another touch point as far as getting that lead to convert over into a sale, getting that lead to get to know me a lot better by being in their face in multiple areas. So not only are they watching my YouTube videos, but they're on my email list. They're getting emails from me automatically. Now they're in my Facebook group. They're seeing me post my links to my new YouTube trainings and whatnot in the Facebook group. And so, like, both those are 2 touch points that I have. And then if you add in the YouTube targeting and then Facebook targeting, I have another 2 touch points that I am being able to get in front of my potential customers' face with these retargeting ads. And so I know that I'm glancing over these things, but like I said again, if you want more information on this, go ahead and just type Clickbank in the description of this YouTube video, and I will go in more depth on each and every one of these steps. Okay, so now I'm going to jump on over to the next slide here, which is the last slide. And on this slide, what I'm talking about here is basically the steps that we've used, basically the action steps that you need to take every day. So you can't just have the strategy sitting on your computer, right? You need to take action every single day. And these are the action steps that I take every day with my business and how I'm making this $500 per day. So I create one YouTube video per day, all right? Because you already know YouTube's algorithm loves it when you post as much and as often as you can, but at the same time post quality content. So I create one video per day. Then I send out 2 emails per day. Now, these are not 2 different emails. These emails are going towards one specific objective. So if my objective is to get someone to see my bonus page for a specific product, then I'm going to send one email at 7 a.m. Then I'm going to send another email to everybody that did not open up my first email at 7 p.m. in the evening. And I do this because sometimes people overlook your emails. And also the subject line that you use on your first email may not have caught their attention enough. So in the second email, by me mailing to everybody that didn't open my email the first time, it's allowing me to get to people who didn't otherwise click on my emails and then obviously open my emails. So it allows me to drive more eyeballs to the offer or anything that I'm looking to promote at that particular time on my emails. So the next thing that I do is I post once per day in my Facebook group. And the reason why I do that is because I want them to know that I'm active. And also I would like a lot of times what I do is I post my YouTube link in the Facebook group so that they can go ahead and engage on my YouTube video. Plus, it's a way for me to deliver training and different things like that. One thing that you want to avoid is posting multiple reviews inside your Facebook group, because if you do that, obviously people in that Facebook group, they might have got there from such review, but now you're doing another review for this another product. It doesn't work that way. So like you want to give them as much value as possible. And the way you do that is by giving them sort of like tutorial videos or value-based videos that you're posting on your YouTube channel. And then at least once a week, do a live webinar, or it doesn't have to be live. It can be an automated. You can record it beforehand and then use an automated software, kind of like a Webinar Jam, or ClickFunnels has its own automated webinar sequence type thing. But you can use that, but set aside some time to do it at least once a week. Me personally, I like to do live webinars each week because it allows me to engage with my audience right then and there. And I also get to answer any of their questions that they may have had or things I may have glossed over on my YouTube channels and in the Facebook groups and blah, blah, blah. So that's what I do once a week. I'm not necessarily selling on this webinar as well. All I do is I pre-sell for anything that I'm promoting. So if I'm promoting a e-commerce product, then I'm pre-selling and basically getting people to understand the importance of whatever subject's at hand that is geared towards the product that I am promoting. So for example, if I'm promoting an e-commerce product, I'm going to talk about some of the nuts and bolts of e-commerce, just giving them free value. So anytime that I go ahead and send these emails out for products or a bonus that I'm giving away for a product that's relevant to the webinars that I've done, then it's going to convert at a much higher rate because I've given them more value than they're used to, than most people do through my webinars, through my videos on YouTube, and then posting in my Facebook group. That's just how it works. Okay. So this is the formula that I use to make $500 per day. This is a super affiliate formula, or helping you to be on your way to a super affiliate. Once I start breaking down each one of these steps, it's going to allow you to scale up even further. Okay, because depending upon how much activity you take with this method, it's going to determine your results. Now, I given you the formula for $500 per day, but if you want to make more, obviously you got to do more, right? But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this training. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I come out with more trainings just like this, where I break things step by step. If you have any questions, post your questions in the comment section below in this video. And that's pretty much it, folks. You guys take care. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you at the top.